Well, thank you for inviting me. It's a pleasure for me to be here. I don't know much, but I heard a lot about your nature, and I'm here to discover it. So after the forum, I will spend a few days traveling around. It is a very important part of tourism, and you should have two things in mind, very important: the local community and the environment. So if you can put them together, it will be very beneficial. In the international trends, well, internationally seen, we see that people are getting more and more aware, and they're starting to take decisions on the ecological side. If a place is well taken care, it's more interesting to go. So this is a trend that we hope it continues, and that we know how to implement it so we will be ecologically positive. Yes, one time. Where? Buryatia. Oh, mainly two things: your people, the Buryatian, and the environment. It's just, I want to go there again. Oh, when I have some short free time in the area I live, in Munich, we have the Alps, we have lakes, so I enjoy the natural.